Hello dear followers of Mwalimu Theophil Academy, a warm welcome to this session. Here we have a continuation of trigonometric series, and the question in our series here states that a triangular point ABC is such that AB is equal to 8 meter, AC 5 meter, and angle BAC is equal to 60 degrees, determining the length of BC. Now let's see the solution for it. Okay, now let's sketch this triangular point. Let's take this as A, B, here, angle C. We are given BAC. BAC is equal to 60 degrees, meaning this angle, 60 degrees. And you are given side length AB is equal to 8 meters. This AB is equal to 8 meters. This is opposite to this angle C. Now let's take a small letter C is equal to 8 meters. This side length, we take it as a small letter c, as it is opposite to angle C. This approach makes you to solve any maybe unknown angle or side length in a triangle using cosine rule and sine rule. It becomes easier. And this side, as here is angle A, this side will be a small letter a, the side length I mean. And it is what we are finding side length BC here. And we are given side length AC is equal to 5 meters. This AC is open to this angle, so we take it as small letter b is equal to 5 meters. Here we have two known side lengths and included the angle, and we are asked to find a third side length. To get this unknown third side length, if you have already two known side lengths and included angle, we use cosine rule. According to cosine rule, just assume we have this triangle, this one, having the angles maybe D, E, F. And maybe let's take this D as the known angle, given angle included one, where side length DF is known, and as this DF is open to angle E, it will be taken as small letter e, its length. This side length opposite to angle F will be taken as a small letter f. This side length opposite to angle D will be taken as a small letter d. After that, an included angle is this one, and the two sides surrounding it is E and F. So to get this unknown side, according to cosine rule, we say that the unknown side that we are looking for square, which is d square, becomes equal to the sum of the squares of the two known sides, f square plus e square. We subtract 2 times the side lengths f and e, meaning that the two already known side lengths, which is ef times cosine of that included angle, which is angle d. Now this is the way we apply cosine rule. It means that in our figure here we are looking for this a, so we are going to take this a square is equal to these two known sides having included the angle 5 and 8 squares. We sum them, 5 square plus 8 square. Then we subtract 2 times 5 times 8. We multiply by cosine of an included angle, which is 60, cosine of 60 degrees. Now here we may solve this a square will be equal to, let's compute in a calculator, 5 square plus 8 square minus 2 times 5 times 8 times cosine of 60. We get 49. So our a square is equal to 49. To get this a, we apply square root to both sides. A square is equal to 49. We apply square root. Here, the square root of a square is a. Square root of 49 is 7. Now, the answer for this side length BC is equal to 7, but in meters. Now it will be 7 meters. Therefore, we say that the side length BC is equal to 7 meters. This is the answer. I hope this is a standout lesson to you. So make sure that you subscribe, so as to continue be profitable to our continuation of series in trigonometry. Share our lesson to your friends. I know you have various WhatsApp groups whereby you share ideas with your fellow students, so make sure that you send them the links from our YouTube channel so that they benefit from our everyday lessons. Thank you. Have a nice moment.